Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to retrieve and publish a Zoom video file so that you can share it on Facebook or YouTube. To do that, the first thing you'll need to do is record your meeting. If you're sharing your screen, you will see it listed under the tools at the top. When you hover your mouse over more, you will see the option to record. Right now I am recording, so mine says that I am recording. When you end the meeting, it will automatically create files for you to be able to distribute as you see fit. It will open that folder that they dump into automatically. And this is an example of one I did today as a test. You can see that there are 3 files in here. They're also 3 different formats. The M4A, and it fortunately it tells you that it is audio only. So if you just wanted to publish it as a podcast or something like that, that would be good for that. And if there's any interest in that, I can certainly show. I can make a video on how to do that. If you would like to know that, just let me know. But the file you're going to look for is going to be the .mp4 file. It will usually be named Zoom_0. You can see the folder is actually today's date, and it's got it kind of obviously named. But if you somehow lose this, what you can do, and this, by the way, is only for Windows computers. I do not own a Mac, so most of my work is done on a Windows computer. So if you have a Windows computer, this is specifically going to help you retrieve the file if you've closed the window on accidentally, or if it just didn't open as you expected. So you're going to go to your PC, and then you're going to find your documents. Now inside there, what you're looking for is a folder called Zoom, and there it is. It does automatically dump these files here. So now you're looking at to the untrained eye could just look like a bunch of gibberish, but if you pay attention, you'll see that they are dates of the recordings. And if you scroll down, you'll find, you may not have to scroll down, you may have your most recent first. So if you sort it by date modified, the one you most recently recorded will be the one that shows up. So I believe this is actually the one I'm recording now. So we're going to go to this one here. And you can see those 3 files all reside right there. So now what do you do? Let's talk about Facebook first. We know we want the MP4 file. There is a chance that you're not going to be able to see the MP4. So if you're on a Windows 10 computer, it may look like this. It's still going to be Zoom_0. If you'd like to see the file extension type, what you're going to need to do is hit View and then check the box here that says File Name Extensions. That'll help you. But ultimately, if it's not named Zoom_0, MP4 is the one you want. So we know we've got the file there. So we know we can get back to that. So the next step is deciding what platform you want to upload to. Okay, so I have created Jeremy's test group here on Facebook. This is just a Facebook group. You can create one. If you go to Facebook on your computer, you can access your groups on the left pane, and then in there, you'll see the option to create a group if you don't already have one. Once you've created the group, you can now go to where you would normally post and click on Photo Video. And then all you have to do is find the file, the MP4 file that you're trying to publish, and then you just simply load it in there. Now, you won't be able to post it until that turns blue, just like it just did. Once you post it, it is now live. So anyone that's in that group will be able to access that post. So it is still taking a minute. I don't have great wireless where I am today. Video is ready to view. Okay, you can watch it now. So now we'll just kind of refresh this page. That should be about the quality you should expect for a Facebook post. If there's lag or anything like that, go check your MP4 file. You may want to watch that first. If the watcher is seeing something different than what you see on an MP4 file, it is probably related to their internet. Next, let's take a look at YouTube. For YouTube, we're going to take a little different approach. For one, much like Facebook, you do have to have an account, but you don't have to have a group. So that's at least one step fewer than Facebook. However, when you go to upload a video on YouTube, there's a lot more settings that you need to be aware of. So let's go ahead and look into that. First of all, you do need an account. You are going to have to create an account if you don't already have one. So I've created one just for this purpose, and that's actually what you're going to be watching this video on. So let's go ahead and show you this little icon right here. If you're looking at my screen, you're going to see the create a video and more. It's a little camera with a plus sign in the middle. Go ahead and click that. And then you are going to choose to upload a video. So if you've never posted before, you are going to have to go through these basics. But I'm just going to choose my name instead of a custom name because I don't anticipate there being a need for this for future videos. That may change, and even if it does, I'm still probably just going to keep the name. Okay, so you can see it has all these options here. If you've never posted before, please feel free to go through these at your leisure. For my purposes, I'm not going to make any changes here, so I'm going to do just the minimum so that I can start to upload. Let's see, what do I need to do? We'll just do channel description. Training videos for Zoom. There we go. That should allow us to save and continue. Here we are. Now we can go and upload. Explore the new YouTube Studio setup. You can hit next, and now we're going to select our file. Fortunately, it's going to dump you right into the same folder. If you have Windows 10, it's got a folder memory like that. So it's a nice handy feature. If not, you're just going to have to navigate to it just like you did before. For this video, we're going to select the video we just created, just a simple test file, and we're going to upload it. And now it has taken us to the individual settings for this video. So your title, so testing, we're going to just name it something simple. You name it however you want. When you upload your video, you can upload however you like. And I'll just add zoom to the front. And description, test number 1. I'm not going to choose a thumbnail, but you can either upload or choose an image from within the video when you post this video. A couple other interesting little things. This is the actual link to the video, and the reason that that's important is so if you do still want to share it on Facebook, you can use that link to do it. Also, if you make the video private, that link will still allow people who you want to view it to be able to view it. So this is a pretty important little setting here. There may be some classes that are for kids, but they may still just be kids safe. You probably won't need to know any of this stuff, but if you want to say that it's made for kids, YouTube puts you under this COPPA restriction or COPPA restriction. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. And it will not allow people to comment on your video. So If you want to interact in the comments of a YouTube video, you're going to have to select no, it's not made for kids. Now, if it is made for kids, obviously you want to select yes. You want to be honest about that. But if it's an adult Bible study group, you can just hit no there. And then this is where you would type in your search terms. So then we're going to hit next. And video elements, this is where you can add different features. This is really for YouTube channels that are monetized. You don't need to do any of these. And this here is where you would make it public for anyone who wants to see it, to view it. You would select that. Unlisted, this is what I mentioned earlier. Anyone with the video link can see your video. And then private is only you and people you choose to see. You choose can see your video. If you just click the unlisted, you can share it with a select group and they can access it from that link. Public means anyone can access it. So I'm going to make this one public because I don't want to restrict people from being able to view this video. You can schedule when it's published after you're done. And then once you're done, once you're ready for it to go live, you hit publish. And depending on the size of your file, you will just, once you get to this screen here, you'll be able to just close this and be good to go. You can again copy the link from here. You can automatically share it on these platforms, or you can steal the link from this embed code here. All you have to do is click here. Okay, anyway, all right, we're gonna close out of here. And now our video is live. So if you're interested in editing down videos, if you're interested in that, I can do a training on those as well. But I'm interested to hear any of your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks.